Water damage can escalate quickly, but taking the right steps can minimize destruction and costly repairs. Here's what to do. First, if water is still flowing, locate and turn off your home's main water valve immediately. This prevents further flooding and damage. Next, for safety, disconnect electricity in water-affected areas. This reduces the risk of electrical hazards. Unplug electronics and relocate them to a dry area to prevent further damage. Move rugs, furniture, and personal belongings out of the affected space to keep them safe from water damage. Take pictures and videos of any damaged areas and possessions. These will be invaluable for insurance claims. The restoration process begins with water extraction, removing all excess water and drying affected surfaces. Next comes comprehensive cleanup, addressing structural concerns, disinfecting surfaces, and taking preventive measures against mold to ensure a safe restoration process. Acting fast can prevent further water damage and costly repairs. Need expert help? Contact PlumberHelp today to restore your property safely and efficiently.